Hello, welcome back to the Out-of-Box Cloud tutorial series. In this video, we will show you how to launch a virtual machine step by step. Once you log into your Out-of-Box Cloud account, you will land on the dashboard. Make sure you have sufficient infra credits before launching any services. To launch your virtual machine, click the plus icon next to the virtual machine section on the dashboard. This opens the Create a Server interface. Now proceed with selecting the appropriate options. Choose Location. Select a data center region where you want to host the virtual machine. The closer the data center is to your users, the better performance they'll experience. For this example, I will select the IXG Belagavi region. Choose Image. As per your requirement, pick an operating system or application template for your server. I will choose Ubuntu 22.04 LTS for this demonstration. Choose storage type. Select appropriate storage type for your server. Choose plan. Based on the type you selected, the plans and their prices will be displayed here. Select a plan based on your requirements. Choose a project. By default, there will be one project and you can select it for now. If you wish to segregate the virtual machine for management purposes, you can create a new project as per your requirements. For this demo, I will select Default Project. Choose Network. Select a network for your setup. We have two types, Elastic Network and VPC Network. In this tutorial, we will focus on the Elastic Network. If you want your VM to have public access, this is the option you have to select. This will assign a public IP to the virtual machine. Server Settings. Here, you can add additional security to the virtual machine by providing an SSH key. For now, I will skip this and move forward. We can access the virtual machine using the username and password generated once the virtual machine is up and running. Server name and host name. By default, the system will generate a random server name and server host name. If you wish, you can give a valid server name and host name for easy identification, and we recommend this. In my example, I will give a server name and server host name as shown. Kindly confirm the billing cycle you wish to choose. For now, I will select the hourly plan and click on the Review and Deploy option. Double check all the details, then click on Deploy Now to finalize the setup. Wait for a few minutes for the deployment process to complete. Once the virtual machine is created, it will show the message as Virtual Machine Created Successfully. You can now see the virtual machine status as running and your virtual machine is ready to use. View the virtual machine details: console access, power off, reboot, and destroy. Here, you will see a brief overview of your virtual machine like IP address, default username, default password. Now we will access the virtual machine via the console option. Enter the username and password generated by the system. These details will be displayed here. We got the console access. Let's see how to access the virtual machine via public network. To access this virtual machine via the public network, ensure SSH port number 22 is allowed in the firewall. By default, it's allowed. Verify this by opening the virtual machine details, selecting the VM settings tab, and under this, selecting Firewall. Click on Manage. View the port forwarding details and it will list all the port forwarding configurations. Here you can see that TCP UDP port number 22 is active, allowing you to access the virtual machine via the public network. Now let's access the virtual machine via the public network or the internet. Open any SSH terminal. Enter the virtual machine's public IP. When prompted for the username and password, provide the valid credentials and access the virtual machine. Congratulations, your virtual machine is ready to use. You have successfully created a basic virtual machine deployment and accessed it. Stay tuned for the next video in our series, where we will explore more exciting features of out-of-box cloud. Goodbye.